Hello, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Welcome to a week in my life. Today is Monday. It is 6 o'clock and I just got home from work. And I put this sweatsuit on. I'm about to cook dinner and I'm sick. If you couldn't tell, I don't really sound sick, but my throat hurts a little bit and I just don't feel very good, so I'm gonna make some. I really want to make ramen. I feel like I shouldn't be eating ramen right now, but it's kind of what I want. I need to feed Stormy. Let's make some ramen. I'm gonna boil 2 eggs and put it in my ramen. It's the best. Where's my pot? We only have 1 pot, so I have to like boil the eggs and then cook the noodles afterwards. Not ideal. I feel like I need a snack while I wait. I have some goldfish. I could eat these. I just don't feel good, you guys. I don't know. But I'm gonna actually feed Stormy. You guys like my hair? I curled it a different way today. And I really like the way it looks. So I think I'm gonna keep doing it like this. I think it's just like, I like it. I don't know. And I also did my makeup today, which is new for me. I don't do my makeup a lot. I was feeling rather, what's the word? I wanted to get ready this morning, you know? We'll see how long that lasts. I'm gonna have some goldfish in this little bowl while I cook my ramen. Stormy loves goldfish. I also need to cook some vegetables for tomorrow, so I think we should do that now too. Check that out. Ramen. Cheers. Let's hope I feel better tomorrow. Hello guys. It is 6:30 and I went to the gym today. Also today's Tuesday, by the way. I went to the gym today and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna hit a workout. It's gonna be great, awesome. I did like 2 exercises, and then like when I was on my 3rd, I'm sick by the way, which I know you know because I said that yesterday, but I was on my 3rd exercise and my leg kept like cramping, and that's probably not good. So I decided to stop working out. I went to go do some cardio. I did like 10 minutes and then I left because my legs literally hurt so bad. I don't know why. My quads are like, I feel like I just did a whole quad workout. I don't know what is going on. So I'm just gonna go home, eat dinner, shower, relax, have a nice chill evening, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. Maybe tomorrow will be better. We'll see. Oh, there's a cop up here. I love that for me. Anyway, so that's where we're at right now. Good stuff. I'm on my way home. That's not a cop, is it? No. It's a tow truck. I feel like crap. I'm gonna have some NyQuil before I go to bed. I took NyQuil last night, and NyQuil like puts me out. Like, it worked, which was awesome because I really needed it. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. Sick, having a hard time working out. I'm drinking a protein shake right now. I had a pretty uneventful work day. I had like a few little things I had to take care of, but other than that, I didn't have much to do. Tomorrow, I have a lot of meetings. It's like my big meeting day, and I have to go to the job site tomorrow. So Wednesdays are usually good days for me. So we'll see how work is tomorrow, and I will show you guys what I make for dinner when I get home. Goodbye. Alright, so I just got home and took Stormy out, and I'm going to take my makeup off and get in the shower. Today is Monday, and I figured we could do a little work week in my life. I have to take Ryan's car to work today because my car has to go to the shop to get an alignment this morning. So Ryan's going to take care of that for me because he doesn't work until later. And we are just going to try to keep it together today because we are going to be tired. I'm going to go to the gym this afternoon after work. And yeah, that's pretty much all I got right now. So I'm going to do my makeup and then we will get ready to go for work. It's so cold in here today. It's like freezing. Yesterday, the high was like 55, 57, and we left the AC on in our house. So now it's like 64 degrees in here. It's freezing, but yeah, it's fine. So I'm gonna keep getting ready. I'm just like watching some YouTube, and we'll keep chugging along. god, you guys. My nose, so stuffy. It's 6:40. I made it to the gym and I honestly didn't think I was going to. I was so tired on my way home from work. I was like dead. I did not get enough sleep last night. I went to bed at like 10:30 and I woke up at 3:30. Did 20 minutes of cardio this morning and then had to start getting ready for work. But oh my god, it just like took it out of me, I swear. I did shoulders and chest today. Since I was really tired, I didn't want to like push it too much, so I just did something kind of, I guess, easier, but I feel like it was a pretty good workout even though I was really tired. I'm gonna drink my protein shake, head home and have some dinner, and Ryan, I have to meal prep tonight, and Ryan went to the bakery, which I'm excited about. I told him to get some different stuff because he really likes these things that they have there, and I know he got those, but I know he also got something else. I need to check in with my coach tomorrow. I haven't checked in since my show, which was like almost 2 months ago. Almost 2 months ago, which is crazy. I gained quite a bit of weight. I'm not mad about it though. I'm not upset with how I look at all, to be completely honest. But we can talk about that more when I get home because it's getting dark. It's literally not even 7 and it's almost dark out. So we will chat more when I get home. So let's go home. Let's get it. Ryan went to the bakery. Look at this little cake. It's a little brain with eyeballs. Look at it.
I know.
I smushed it. Wait, it's hard?
I don't know. It's supposed to be a cake.
Go for it. Or a spoon. Fork. I can't tell what flavor it is. Wait. Whoops. What was that?
I don't even know. She's making all kinds of weird noises. I think she's been playing too many zombies. Did you just take a triangle slice out of his brain?
I did. Wow, it has
there's
stuff
stuff in the
inside.
center. Is it deliciosa?
It's okay. The cake's a little bit dry. Mr. Brain, I'm not impressed.
I don't know what you're smoking. I thought it was deliciosa.
What is this? It says refrigerate.
Yep. I don't know.
Oh man, I love these things.
Yeah.
These are like little pumpkin cream cheese cookies. Look how good this looks. There's one thing about me. I love cream cheese. Maybe my favorite thing to ever exist.
Take a big bite of that. Yeah. Pretty good, huh, honey?
Yeah, it's pretty good. Want a bite?
No.
Are these the good ones? I don't know. I wish I knew what these were. You ate it already?
Yeah. First I took a bite and then I put it back in there and then I took another bite and then it was gone.
What is this called at the place?
I think it's called a French crumb.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know what.
My favorite.
I don't know what this is like made out of, and I can barely explain it to you, but it's so good. Ryan ate all of his and left just that little piece in there.
Just a little crumb. Now Ryan's gonna eat it. Pretty awesome.
Yep.
Those are my favorite. Give me some more of that brain.
filling that came out, and I have to go and get that checked out today. Hopefully, she said on the phone yesterday when I called that if they can fix it today, they will. If not, I will have to come back. So hopefully they can just like take care of it and I won't have to come back in. I am going to try to stop at Sheetz really quick and get an energy drink and a protein bar if I have enough time. It says I will be at my dentist in like 10 minutes. And my appointment's at 2, so I should have enough time. It's looking like that, so I'm gonna go get a energy drink and a protein bar, and we're gonna get going to the dentist. I hate going to the dentist, but you know, it's important that you take care of your teeth, so we're gonna go get it taken care of. I literally just discovered this weekend that I think my filling fell out, and I called the dentist yesterday because they are not open on Fridays, so I had to wait till Monday. So let's go to the dentist. It is so hot. It's 74 degrees outside. I'm about to go to the gym.
Yeah, so that's what I mean by like hybrid.
I'm about to go to the gym. I'm gonna mix my pre-workout right now. I'm still at home in the parking lot. I just like took Stormy for a little walk and now I'm headed out. I'm gonna put some pump and some pre-workout in this cup and mix her all up. So yeah, I went to the dentist. Remember I told you I thought I lost a filling. I did not. So I essentially went to the dentist for nothing. I do appreciate my dentist checking me out though and telling me that I had nothing to worry about. He probably thinks I'm nuts, but I don't like to mess around with teeth stuff, you know. Pre-workout, the caffeine stuff. So as soon as I thought something was wrong, I was like, yeah, let's go get this checked out and, you know, see what's going on. But nothing's going on, everything's fine. So I overreacted, but what's new? Other things I have to update you guys on. Speaking of, I bought this. This is the Alani Winter Wonderland flavor. I'm not sure. I can't figure out what the flavor is supposed to be. It does have a little bit of like a cooling sensation. Let's Google it and find out what this is. I just don't know what it is. I wish I knew. It does have a little hint of pineapple in it. I was reading a forum to try to figure out what it is. It definitely has a little bit of pineapple, I think. As far as everything else, I don't know. But it's pretty good. Let's listen to some rap music. How about that? I've been listening to a podcast. I kind of want to just... I'm also gonna eat my peanut butter and jelly bagel thin on my way to the gym. Let's go. Okay. So I just got done at the gym. It's 5:40. This is like almost usually what time I would get here, so that's pretty good. I checked in with my coach today. I took check-in photos this morning. I weigh 130 right now, and I'm not upset about that because I look healthy, and I think that's a good thing. So,
I'm maintaining.
You know, I'm not upset. We will see what she says. I'll let you guys know either today or tomorrow. I'm gonna go home now because I need to let Stormy out. And I have a little bit of cooking to do, and I need to wash my hair tonight. So, we have some stuff to do. I really don't want to wash my hair, but that's what we're gonna do today. wash the hair. So let's go home. I just got home and I have about a million things to do. I need to cook turkey and beef. I need to fold these clothes. These are clean. I need to wash my hair, and I feel like there was something else I needed to do. I forget what it is now. Somewhere it is my tripod for my camera. Your shoes. So I need to get going because I have a lot of stuff to do and not a lot of time. Story of my life. Hello guys, happy Wednesday. It is 11:30 and I'm at home because do I have a story for you? I'm sorry if you can hear, I'm like washing laundry and stuff in the background, but I went to go to work this morning and my tire on my car was flat and therefore I could not, I had to pull over and Ryan had to come and like meet me so that we could change the car tire. So we put the flat on, we put the spare tire on and Ryan drove the car home and he was gonna go take the tire back to Sam's Club to try to figure out what was wrong with it because that's where we got it from. Turns out they can't fix it, so that's awesome. I am at home because I drove all the way to work. Well, I had to go take Ryan to work and then I drove to work, and I was going to a job site and the trailer there was locked because the guys are at a training that we forgot about. So that's why we are home right now. And I have a lot of work to do. I'm gonna clean my desk off a little bit first because it's quite messy. So let's clean off the desk. Hello, it's Thursday afternoon. It's 5:30. I'm leaving the gym right now. I got off a little bit early today because I had to go to a job site and handle some business, like a big girl. Oh, my battery's gonna die. And it was quite the experience. I've been to this building like a couple times, but I had to like ask some of the guys for help on how to find the way out. It was really funny. I'm talking quick because my battery's gonna die. When I get home, I'll put a new battery in and we'll keep talking about my day. All right, guys, today is Thursday. We made it to Thursday. After my little work from home day I had yesterday, I had to pick Ryan up from work, and then we went to try to get my car fixed, or my tire. I had to go to Sam's Club. Well, actually we had to go to Firestone to pick up the new tire that we bought, and then we had to go to Sam's Club to have them put it back on the rim, and then we brought it home and Ryan installed it, the tire. So that's where we are now. Everything looks good. Camera battery's gonna die. I'm gonna go to work and then I will see you guys afterwards. This battery's almost dead too. Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. We made it to Friday. This week I feel like has been really long, and I haven't been filming a lot in the evenings because we've just been having like really chill evenings that I haven't really felt like they were necessary to film. Well, you need your pre-workout? Did you already grab it?
I don't have any.
Oh.
I'm poor, dude.
You want this one?
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Here!
I don't want that one.
Well, you don't want this one either. You said you didn't like it.
It took forever to kick in because of all this other shit. That's why I'm trying to get it now, bro.
I can't take you seriously.
You can. I'm as serious as it gets. More serious than a stroke. Or herpes.
Whoa!
I didn't want to wear it, bruh.
I'm close to 7. Babe! What the frick? I don't want the inside of my car looking like yours. Babe!
Now you know why it looks like that. It's actually not what you thought it was. It is pre-workout. Was that you or was that Andy? That must have been Andy.
No,
was that you?
It was Brayden.
Was that Brayden? It was one of you.
Alright. Hello, guys. Did you see what I wanted to do? I wanted to go put the lid on here.
LOL, we're tired. Yeah,
Today's
me
Friday.
sitting on my ass.
And we are going to the gym right now. Our gym closes at 7 and it's currently 5:30, so we really need to get going. And then I'm gonna come home and try to edit. Ryan's gonna play his video game. We're probably gonna get dinner somewhere in between this. Probably after we go to the gym. What else? Tomorrow we have to go grocery shopping. Meal prep. Do we have anything else to do tomorrow? I don't think so.
Yeah.
And then Sunday, we are going to a bridal expo. Are you coming to that?
Fuck no.
Don't cuss on my channel. Let's do that again. Are you coming to that?
No, sweetheart. Still.
I invited my mom and my sister, so Ryan probably won't come. Even though, like, you are a big part of this wedding, too.
I know I am, but not a bridal thing.
Yeah, there's gonna be all kinds of stuff there. Oh my god, the wiener dog.
And it's got a little jacket on it.
Look at me so fierce. Hi guys. When you were younger, did your parents like freak out when you wanted to use the light while they were driving? Like, if you turned the light on, all of a sudden the car was gonna wreck? Or is that just mine?
I don't remember.
Anybody have this experience? I'd be like, Mom, can you turn the light on? I can't see something. I need to see something real quick. And then she would be like, she would turn the lights on for like 2 seconds and she'd turn off like, you can't turn the lights on while I'm driving. And I'm like, dude, what? How are those the same thing?
I'm pretty sure my dad just said it was illegal or something.
I think that's what my mom said too.
It's illegal. And I'm like, oh, okay.
Oh, Stormy's back there.
Sorry.
Oh, there she is. Say hi, Storm. Say hi, everybody.
You got a french fry?
We went to Chick-fil-A. I'll do a Chick-fil-A haul when we get home. Back down there. Diet Dr. Pepper. Alright, I'll see you when we get home. Napkins. Very important. What else?
I'm falling apart. It's gotta be the fucking devil.
French fries everywhere. Randall?
New on Netflix. Gossip Girls. The Whale. Martha. Oh, that's my girl.
I got this money broker on Solomon to
Mac and cheese. A fork. More French fries.
I thought I was gonna have to retire, but I didn't.
What'd you get?
Spicy pimento cheese chicken sandwich.
Spicy.
Yeah, I went all out today.
And I got some chicken nuggets.
Dang, boy.
keep them happening. Are you good?